Oh, hey, good morning. Just waking up. It's about, what time is it now? 7 o'clock in the morning, so 7 a.m. We woke up around 6. We didn't mean to, but it just kind of happened. So we're up, but I'll show you this view, all right? This was the view from my bed last night, actually. You see the mountains up there. Good Lord. These mountains hit. The sun is super bright right now. Wow, we watched the sunrise from over here earlier. If you look over here to the right, you can see Diamond Head. Actually, we'll go out to the balcony. Oh yeah, much better. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. You can see Diamond Head off in the distance out there. Something about these mountains hit a little bit different than they did when we were in Gatlinburg. We've got zip lining today. That's going to be our main thing, but it's still early. We don't have to leave here till almost 11 o'clock to be able to go to zip lining, so we've got some time to kill. We may go down and see the beach. I disappeared. They haven't even seen water yet, so they haven't seen anything. This is obviously completely gorgeous, but everything, water is behind us, the ocean is behind us, so they haven't been able to see any beaches yet. So I think that's going to be the plan, but we'll see. Look down here.
Like, can you like not get more younger people?
Lots of fishies. Now, these things don't care. I keep getting used to this. Now this is paradise. You're able to wake up 7 o'clock in the morning, head out to a beautiful beach out here in Waikiki. We're up here in the quiet area where the waves aren't quite as bad. We were right over there on the other side of the wall. The waves are pretty gnarly over there, and we're on the south side, so the north side is even bigger waves. But just enjoying life right now. We've got a couple hours before we have to leave for zip lining, but this is what it's all about right here. I love these little punks. Well, that quickly went from, let's go look at the beach. We just get our feet wet. We just want to kind of check it out, to fully swimming in the beach. So now we're walking around dry out because we didn't bring towels or anything. But check out this tree. What the heck is that? I feel like we need to do some investigation. This just talks about the beaches there.
There's a bird right there.
Yeah, hey, bird. Talks about the beaches of Waikiki. Pretty people that know how to read. There you go. But yeah, check this thing out. That's wild. I can't tell if stuff's growing up into the tree or stuff growing down from the tree. There's somebody out there parasailing way out there. Don't even see it. This place is amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to live here. Zipline time! Couldn't record anything on the drive here because, you know, driving and recording is bad. So I didn't record it, but check this out. Oh, this place is huge. See, like, Jurassic Park area there, Kong. It's the actual ranch. Wow. It's nice. This is Allison. This is the greatest Hawaiian mix I've ever heard.
Hi. What was your name? What was it? Bretley. Nice to meet you, Bretley. Like gently, but Bretley, right?
Brant. Yeah,
Brantley.
close. Yeah.
Brantley.
He answers to many things.
There you go. Alright, Zip and Brantley, whenever you're ready. There you go. And 3, 2, 1, zip on. Just kind of bring him up. Yeah. We'll take care of this.
Yeah, Brantley. Yeah.
Oh no, I stopped posing as soon as
Yeah, that's what I did.
No.
Dead body pose.
Sad Brantley pose.
Nice, Brantley.
I thought you were doing a dead body pose.
Similar.
Nice. Good job, Kylie.
How was it, Kylie?
Good job, Coconut.
Very nice.
Yeah, baby! Oh, look at that! Oh my God! Beautiful! I made it.
Step on the box of the handle. Be careful.
Yeah. I didn't drop my phone.
You didn't drop your phone?
That's all I care about.
That's some skills.
Is it moving? It's waving. Hello. Eat to me.
I've seen this before, but I didn't.
I have too. Kylie got the biggest sandwich I've ever seen. With some amazing hash browns, a Portuguese sausage. We got the Coco Moco. We're at Coco Head, by the way. I haven't recorded anything today. Here we are, Coco Head. It was rated pretty high, so we came to check. But hi, yeah. So checked out of our Airbnb. We're actually supposed to head to Waimea Bay area after this. Maybe go check out the falls. I don't know. Can't check into Disney until 3 p.m. So here we are eating breakfast. Yeah. So far, so good.
Hello, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Hey, that bird's
Pretty
in Rio.
bird.
That bird's in Rio.
Pretty bird from Rio. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty. Chasing birds. We're in Waimea Valley right now. We're gonna go check out and see if we can do the waterfall hike thing, whatever. So yeah, this is a lot more than I thought it was gonna be. This is definitely like it's got a visitor center, so it's definitely not like a random trail that you can find up a mountain. So a little bit more touristy, but that's us. I mean, we're tourists. Mouth on your leaf? Ah, when I'm done, they've got a bar. Yeah, this is like a whole, this is a thing. Oh my gosh. Movies that were filmed out here. It's pretty cool.
Windy.
Now that's a tree. Yep. Yeah, they have lots of those here. I don't know how that guy's gonna send 500 of them. Gotta ship them. Check that out. Wow. That's impressive. Let me walk in front of Brantley.
You also walk into the ladder somewhere. No one has anything.
Looks like they got a map up here. Check it out.
And the next bit is a Hawaiian. Feel like at a zoo.
Yeah.
But minus the animals.
Well, there
Plus
might
animals.
there might be
Just less
wild animals.
tigers and lions and stuff.
Bears, oh my. It's got these plaques that tells you about everything they have.
Go down this path.
Okay. 60. Wow.
Away.
He almost died. Not much water flow right now, looks like. So Waimea Falls, they did warn us that there's not much falls right now because there's still water at the bottom, but they had rain yesterday, so I'm sure it was flowing then. I guess it's rain fed. And it's a little dried up today, so it might not be a huge waterfall at the end of this, but it'll still be neat.
Oh look, it's called undetermined.
Oh, okay. That's what you call stuff when you don't know what it is. Are we doing all side trails here? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Exploring.
Here's on this one.
All right, see you later.
Anchor.
Very
Just
good.
like the sword thing at work where you try to pick it up.
Got so many things. Yeah. Not much water flow right now.
You know, I think there's enough. If I jump down there, I'll probably be fine.
No. It is pretty out here though. Wow. I feel like Georgia the jungle. Wow. Wow.
Kind of looks.
Side trail. You skipped over this. You stepped on nature. Landscaping, Bill. Look at all these flowers.
Yeah, if I'm like that,
Side trail, man.
you're probably right.
What are these? What are those? I don't know where to go.
Let's go straight to the middle.
Tall people this way.
We've been reunited.
There's so many flowers. Yeah, sometimes you gotta stop and smell the roses. Those are poisonous. I'm just kidding. I'm sure you're fine. It was just that one case that spread throughout the world.
Ah!
Oh.
That was started.
Hibiscus.
Yeah,
I love biscuits.
Too.
Oh, those are pretty purple flowers over there. Alright. Oh wow, look at those.
that looks like the flag is gonna freak out.
Wow. This is cool looking.
No, you should push that rock. No, not that one. One straight ahead.
Oh yeah. You got this. Yeah, it's not connected. You're good. Keep going.
Men's eating houses where men would eat.
Wow. Where's the Wi-Fi connection? Where did we put the Xbox?
How do I cook the chocolate making? What is chocolate?
Like modern day locks.
And then they both go back to doing on the corner.
This was the medicine place.
Oh, those are the nuts that we try to drop in the bucket.
See the
Put
wild
those
rocks in the
down.
natural habitat.
They're sacred.
All in a natural plastic container.
The paper.
Laminate the paper.
Laminated.
Ooh, this must be like the governor's house.
Governor's house?
What's up there? That looks intense.
We can go.
That's gonna be quite the hike.
Are we supposed to try to go to the waterfall?
Yes.
Let's just. Oh, waterfalls come from up, right? This is up. We should
Makes
go
sense. Logic.
Up. Guam. It says Guam. That's Guam. Threatened ecosystem.
It just keeps going up, by the way.
Yeah, where are we going?
I don't know.
Up.
This is not towards waterfall.
You don't know.
I do know.
How?
This place is pretty cool so far, and it's a lot more than just a normal trail or hike. This place is pretty cool so far. It's a lot better than like a normal trail. It's got a lot of history. It's got a lot of buildings and stuff you can see up here. but we've taken some side trails. But this was $61 for all three of us. Didn't have to pay for parking, but worth it. You only live once, so this would be a pretty epic spot to have a wedding right there. Too bad I'm done with all that. But glad we stopped taking side trails because we would have been way back there. I hear animals. Oh, might just be Bradley. God.
Pandanus utilis.
That.
Tree.
There's ants all over that. Kylie's just like hanging on stuff, and there's ants all over it.
Oops.
And moving on. You broke up their trail. Nature. Do a trick. Woo! Crazy.
That's a waterfall.
Oh yeah, it is. It's going. It's cute.
More.
That's how we have made it. Giant nets for falling
God,
rocks.
look.
Oh my goodness gracious.
That's what it would be
Yeah,
like yesterday.
so yeah, it rained a lot yesterday. I bet you that's what it was like after yesterday. But you can see like a little bit of rain. This is what we're walking into now. We're probably maybe a little bit in between. It's a little bit of a trickle. It's still better than no waterfall.
That's what I thought.
Like
No waterfall.
yeah, that's what I was expecting. She said it was a trickle. This is a gorgeous walkway though. Oh, plants and stuff.
And then there's also Turtle Beach, where sometimes the turtles come up onto the beach, and then you can look at them. But that's unfortunate. You're safe. So that is
Does look pretty busy up ahead. You can tell this is more of a touristy type thing, but it's still pretty cool. I mean, you can't beat these views.
So what are we doing? No way. There we go. How do we put our stuff? It's such a process to get us all through. Okay, we're ready.
Check in with lifeguards before you can enter the water. Wow. Kylie's made it down. That's it. Yeah, there's a waterfall. And I'm just kind of stuck right here. I'm not sure where to go. Yeah, it's probably slippery down there, isn't it? Probably need two hands to move around. Watch out for which ones you step on. Y'all are doing great, by the way. Easy does it.
I can't see you.
You're doing great. I got my feet in. This is wild. I'm trying to back. Down goes Brantley. I'm in. Oh look, you just do this. Yes. Oh god. I'm okay. I'm fine. Recorded the whole thing. Hi guys.
Hi.
So that's one way to get in.
Apparently just fall. Just do it. Don't throw water at me.
That was not as planned. So two hands are very important when you're doing this because you need them for balance. I can barely touch the ground right here. Yeah, just go. That's all you gotta do. There you go. Now you're in it. Yeah, good job. How close are we getting to the waterfall? I wish I had more flow, but it's still pretty cool. I'm pretty sure I cut my foot.
Yeah, my foot hurts.
I feel fine.
Do you?
Oh,
I feel fine.
my phone's wet. I'm just glad I didn't drop it. All right, I'm a little used to it now. This is
Apparently like a statue.
This is pretty awesome. Look. So you see this at like hotel like pools and stuff, right? The little waterfalls. But this is
real.
this is a little bit different. Don't you think?
This is for real, for real.
This is for reals. I was like, this is for real, for real. Check that out. It's a cool little waterfall. Best time. Ow, kicked her. That was the turtle. Wait, are there animals?
I don't know.
Maybe. We're gonna find out.
Swim.
Someone
Dun,
died
dun,
down and got the
dun, dun. Are you going? Let her go.
My clothes are
Yeah, I told you.
My toesies hurt.
Toesies?
I feel fine. My head hurts. So it's different.
I have to keep one arm up all the time.
That's really unfortunate for you.
No, but y'all would appreciate the video when I get it back home. I feel like I'm choking. It's choking me.
Let's play Ice Guy.
This is wild. There's so many people here. Actually, it's not that bad. People-wise, look at that. They say it's just a trickle. That's more than a trickle. That's pretty good. Let's go closer, shall we? Swimming fast, getting away from the children's. I only got one head, and I swim faster. And I am the best swimmer ever. There's people over here now, so we gotta be mindful of that. Now, I don't know if I trust y'all, so we're just gonna do a little. Get in there, Brantley. Brantley, get in it. Get in it. Yeah, perfect. And like that, we're done. That was amazing. So I figured out how to talk to a guy, Kylie, up there. He said there's little fish and shrimp. The shrimp will come and nibble on your toes because they'll clean off. Yeah. It's not that we have dirty feet. We have tasty feet. So there's little fish and shrimp in there. We felt something over here and freaked us out a little bit. Turns out it's probably shrimp cleaning our feet. So yeah, this was awesome. Never thought I'd do something like this. So we appreciate everybody that told us to check it out. It was worth it. Taking the path less traveled. I'm too fat for this. All I hear is the stupid blower. Yeah, we're trying this. We're trying new things. This is like a cart path. I don't know. We're way above everybody else. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Can you take me higher? Who plays? I'm kind of sure. What you know about Creed? We see a stick?
Yeah.
It's a small stick. Okay.
Stick.
It's fine.
It's not breaking.
Sturdy stick.
Oh.
We have 2 sticks.
Yeah.
Very tiny walking stick. When they turn against you, don't come to me. I can't remember what these nuts are called. These little gray ones. These are the ones that we were ziplining, and we had to try to drop it in a bucket as we swung by. I only recorded one zip line, and it was actually one of the shortest ones because I was scared to use my phone pretty much the whole time. But there was several that were longer than that one that we did. But God, it was epic. It was awesome. Come back. Sweating way too much on this vacation, but it's amazing. This has been, I don't know, look at him. Yeah, but this bird, I swear, has been following us the whole way. Can you see him? There he is. I saw him earlier and he flew right up to the limb right by me, and I stood there trying to talk to him a little bit. And I swear he's been following us ever since. I'll update you. It should be what? It should be. Well, I mean, people need to know.